Alright guys, Jesse here with 6Speed Media, and today I'm going to show y'all how to replace in your dent side forward if you have a later 70s model that has a shoulder belt. It has a cover, it goes over here, but that is the final look of it. I've already done that side. I'm going to go ahead and get this side pulled off. You're going to need this is a Mac, but you're going to need a T50 Torx to remove that bolt right there. So let me go ahead and get that out. Since I already know what to do here, the seatbelt comes like this. It comes in two pieces. It has a front bracket and a rear bracket. Well, the problem is that when the seatbelt comes through your bezel that goes over this right here will rub against that plastic. And rubbing against that plastic will eventually cause this to fray, and it'll cause it to tear and rip, and that's no good. So the solution to it is to take this and cut this down. That way this will actually sit down in this bracket and the seatbelt will run across this plastic bezel here instead of running across your plastic cover, which is a lot sharper. Now the only problem with that is this has a corner here, which this corner is going to have to be cut off because of the way the cab is made up in here. That corner will get in the way. So we're going to cut that corner off, and we're going to take a die grinder and cut it down so that notch, so I can take that bracket and lift it and it'll come through the slot of the cover. So I'm gonna get those two modifications done to this real quick, and once I get done with that, I'll show you the final look. So let me get right into it. Alright guys, so that's it. I've got it modified. I've got that corner taken off, and then I also have it slotted, so now I have the ability to set this all the way down flush in the bottom of this bracket. Alright guys, so this is the final look here. Mounted up in there. You can see where I had to cut that corner off, but got it mounted all the way down, mounted in factory location. I did opt to use the factory bolts instead of the new aftermarket ones because I feel like these are a little better quality, but I'd show y'all how to put the cover back on, but it's in pieces. Yeah, it's broken it. So anyway, if y'all like the video, please like and subscribe. If you're wondering where I got these belts from, they are from LMC truck. This is what you would get if you ordered them for the 73 to 79 or 76, 77, something like that. I can't remember the exact year, but this is a 77. I ordered them for a 77. So if you order them, that's what you get. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all guys in the next one. Take care.